Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan jelly at home. We will cover the simple ingredients you need, the straightforward steps to prepare it, and some helpful tips for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. Making your own vegan jelly is a fun and rewarding experience, allowing you to control all the ingredients. You can create a healthy and tasty treat for yourself and your loved ones in just a few easy steps. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. The star is agar-agar powder, a powerful plant-based gelling agent that replaces traditional gelatin. You will need about 2 teaspoons for every 2 cups of liquid. Next, select your favorite fruit juice. Fresh juice offers the best flavor. A natural sweetener, such as maple syrup or agave nectar, will balance the tartness. Finally, a small amount of water helps ensure the agar-agar dissolves smoothly. Now, let's walk through the simple preparation steps. First, in a saucepan, whisk 1 to 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder into 1 cup of cold water until fully dissolved. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 1 minute. Remove the pan from the heat, then stir in 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice and your chosen sweetener. Pour the liquid into individual molds or a single dish, and chill for at least 2 hours until firm. Here are some tips for achieving perfect vegan jelly every time. Always dissolve your agar-agar powder in cold liquid first to prevent lumps before heating. You can adjust the amount of agar-agar. Use slightly less for a softer jelly or a bit more for a firmer set. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruit juice combinations to discover new favorite flavors. Once set, store your delicious homemade vegan jelly in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.